Okay, here's the cemetery where Bill Hickok and Calamity Jane are buried. And I didn't realize that it was actually like an attraction you had to pay money to, and they're supposed to be open today, but maybe because of the weather they're not, which is unfortunate because I love cemeteries. But and I had to, my poor little car had to go up quite the hill to get here, so, but looks interesting. Here's some of it. Eee. Who decided to join us? Cute little churchy church. Okay, okay. A little bumpy. This is kind of on the tail end. Foggy in here. Looks like maybe like B&Bs or hotels or something. Hotel. And yeah, cute church that you really can't see through the... Huh.